Welcome back. We are covering 20 critical reasons your business will need to accept cryptocurrency soon. Is your business ready? We're covering number 12 and number 11 today, and I will leave a description in the description box below. I'll leave a link to the playlist for this series, as well as the cryptocurrency playlist that I put together that has a ton of different people that educate you on cryptocurrency. There's a bunch of different perspectives there, and it's a good starting place for you to do your due diligence and research. And if your business isn't ready, you need to get it ready. It's coming. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and click the alert button so you can be notified of future content that's coming from this channel. And again, we're going to jump right in, number 12 and number 11 in this video. The International Monetary Fund is moving into cryptocurrency for their SDR. The SDR is an acronym that they're using basically for what would be a world digital currency or digital dollar, right? And again, don't trust what I'm saying. Never believe anything that anybody says. Do your own research and due diligence, but search the International Monetary Fund. They kind of have this global UN-based, they're kind of like a global central bank. And they have some oversight or collaboration with all the central banks and all the government, financial agencies. But search International Monetary Fund, search SDR, and then search cryptocurrency. It's coming. It already exists, and it's basically a basket of currencies that gives it its value. And again, they're moving to move this into the cryptocurrency space or digital asset space, right? So if it's happening on this level, we talked about in the last video, which you can find the link to in the description, the ECB, the European Central Bank, and the IMF, if they're both moving to a digital currency, guess what? The writing is on the wall. It is coming. Is your business ready? You can not believe the sun isn't coming up tomorrow. Believe it all you want to. Doesn't change the fact that the sun is coming up tomorrow. And you can bring your suntan lotion to the beach with you, or you can't, or you don't. It's your choice. Same thing with your business. Cryptocurrency, digital dollars, digital assets, it is coming. It's not only coming, it's here. It's right around the corner, and it's here to stay. And if it's something that your business isn't prepared and set up to adopt and be able to receive payments on, you're going to miss it. You're going to be behind the 8 ball. Your competition, somebody out there that's in your space, is doing it right now. And at the very minimum, you need to start researching what that looks like for you and your business, and personally as well. Number 11, becoming an early adopter could give you a competitive edge. Listen, there's also, don't feel bad about where you are, right? There's no better time than to start than now. Start doing the research. You don't have to even implement it yet, but if you're at least educating yourself, looking at YouTube videos, doing searches online in terms of what cryptocurrency is, what digital assets, digital dollars, all the things I'm covering in this video series, it could give you that competitive edge. You're not alone. You're not the only one that doesn't know anything about it. And I'm telling you, there's going to be that business owner in your space that's a competitor that's going to say, I'm not doing this. I'm standing by the US dollar. That's it. That's all I'm accepting. I'll maybe accept a credit card. And a lot of people, when credit cards came out, they didn't want to accept credit cards. They only want a cash or check. But guess what? Can't almost not operate a business these days without accepting credit card. I rarely carry cash with me. And there's so many people like me. I have to actually go to my kids and see if they have cash on them. They typically have more cash than I do. This is where cryptocurrency is going. And there's going to be competitors of yours that, if you're an early adopter, do your research, do your due diligence, get yourself and your business set up to accept cryptocurrency. You got to speak the love language of your customer. At the end of the day, that's what you want to do. If they want to pay you in crypto, you better set yourself up to accept it, because that competitor up the street, if they say that they don't want to accept it, guess where they're going to start going? Even if you have a lesser product, that could give you that competitive advantage just from a payment standpoint. Think about it. Think about where this thing is going. Start researching it now. And like I said, that video playlist that I have, it's not even me speaking. It's other people that are way more intelligent than I am. That's not hard to do. But they are telling you where this thing is, where it's going, what the opportunities are. And there's a ton out there. You got to be careful. I'm not warning you. Don't just jump into anything, but you at least need to figure out what the top ones that are probably going to be here to stay. And there's a few of them. You can figure it out. You can do this. I want to encourage you to think about it. By the way, go get yourself your .crypto domain. I'll leave a link to that in the description as well, where it's only $40 and they don't have a recurring fee. but that will allow your business, if you want to set up XYZ plumbing company.crypto, you can grab that now before somebody else gets it, and you will be set up to start receiving cryptocurrency at your domain in the future. Get ahead of the game. Don't miss out on it. Before we end, do me a favor, click that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and hit the alert button so you're notified of future content. And then also feel free to share not only this playlist for this video series, but share the playlist for the other one that where you can educate yourself. Put a lot of videos in there for you to start, and then share that with folks as well. And we will talk to you at the next video.